Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Force. So today we'll be taking a look at the iSteady Pro 2, a gimbal made by Hohem, specifically designed for action cameras. So being rated 4.5 stars on Amazon makes this gimbal one of the best mid-price gimbals on the market. So don't forget to go down to the description below and check it out. So now let's get into the review. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at what comes inside the box. So for what you're paying, you get a decent number of items which are all necessary and helpful. Inside the box we get the gimbal itself, a nice compact carrying case, a mini tripod, a charging cable and 2 mini USB cables to connect directly into the camera itself. Now my initial thoughts are that this product is very well packaged and it's certainly portable. So now let's talk about the design. Now the gimbal has a nice surface to grip onto with a soft rubber grip on the front, making it easy to hold and more importantly comfortable to hold. And in terms of the overall interface, it consists of 5 buttons, 4 on the front and 1 large one on the back. Now these buttons all have clear purposes. The one on the back helps to enable sports mode as well as recentering the gimbal, and the large button on the front acts as a joystick, meaning you can control the panning and tilting of the gimbal. And then there's a sliding switch to control the rolling, as well as a button to alternate between 4 different modes. And then of course there's the on and off button. Now one thing I liked about this gimbal is the use of the mini USB port to directly connect the gimbal into the camera, which allows the camera to be automatically turned on when the gimbal is turned on. And this feature also allows the camera to be charged using the gimbal's battery, which helps to maintain the camera's battery life. And on top of all of this, the gimbal is actually also splash proof with an IP rating of IPX4, which means that it can be used in light rain. And this is a very nice additional feature which I very much like. Now in terms of compatibility, this gimbal can be used with pretty much any action camera as long as it has the correct dimensions to fit. Now I'm using the newer G2 action camera, which I recently reviewed, so go check that video out after this one. And that camera fits well into the slot. However, this gimbal is mainly adapted to cameras such as GoPros and a few other well-known action cameras, but I've found that it works well with pretty much any action camera. Okay, so now let's move on to the performance. So this gimbal is able to capture very smooth transitions, and you can really notice the difference. You can pan perfectly and get great footage, which I think is phenomenal. And when cycling or running, you can definitely see how the footage is far more smoother with the gimbal compared to without, and reducing the effect of bumps or sudden jerks. Okay, so overall, this gimbal is probably the best low/mid-price gimbal I've ever seen. Costing £99, it even comes with built-in Bluetooth to seamlessly connect to an app where it can be controlled remotely. Now through this app, you can actually control things such as rotational speeds and also alternate between various modes. Therefore, I would say that this gimbal is certainly worth buying, and you guys should definitely go check out the link in the description below. And also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.